Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to pin notes to the top of the list for quick access on the Beer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should scroll down till you find the one of your notes that you would like to pin in order to access it quickly. Now scroll to the right side of the screen till you find the pin top button and tap on it. So now you have pinned your note, so it is the first one on your list. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.